Hi, today we will be doing a motion study on this particular figure, and our target is to have our final output to have this particular motion or particular movement. And for us to do the motion study, we need first to make an assembly of our parts, and later on we'll apply the motion study on that assembly. So we should hit the new, then choose assembly, hit OK. Then we will browse the part. In this case it should be the base. Then just put it here. Again, we'll insert another component. It should be the cam piston. And there we go. Now we'll hit the make command. Click this face and this hole. And it should have a concentric relation, and hit check. After that, we will be inserting another part. This time it should be the cam body. And just place it anywhere. Then we will assign a particular relationship between this face and this face. It should be coincident, and hit OK. Then we'll just need to drag this just like that. Then we're good to go to our next step. So we'll just need to pan our figure a little bit, then click this face and hit the make command. Then click this arrow and choose the right plane, then hit OK. And there you go. All we need to do is just drag this piston downwards. Then we'll insert another component. This time it should be the camshaft. And just place it here. Just go to the isometric view. Click this face. Right click this face, or hold control, then click, and go to make. Then it should be concentric. Now on the make options, we just need to go to the advanced make and choose width. For our width selection, it should be this face and the other side. Then for the tab selection, it should be this one, and this one. Now we just need to hit check. So the purpose of that command is to place this shaft on a balanced manner. So just exit the make command and go back to the isometric view, or much better in the right view. Now we'll go to make command again. At this time we'll go to the mechanical mates. We'll choose the cam, and for the cam part it should be this, and for the cam follower it should be this. Now we hit OK. Then exit the make command. So just click and then right click, then choose fix. Then as you can see, our piston is moving and following the path of the sides of our cam body, and that is our goal. Now we can just choose float again. Now our next goal is to make this piston and this shaft aligned with each other, and we can do that by accessing this piston. Under piston we should choose the front flame, and under shaft we should control click the right plane, then go to the make command. Then the standard mate should be the coincident, then hit OK. Now exit the make command, and there you go. Now you can see that this shaft is perfectly aligned to this piston. Now we will insert our last part for this figure. This would be the cam spring. You can just insert it here. Now as you can see, there's this line. You can just click this, then on the pop-up dialog choose mate, and click this piston. They should be concentric with each other, and hit OK. We'll click this spring, then we'll need to open this part since we'll be editing some of its features. We go to this sketch 1 and edit sketch. Now we'll need to just delete this dimension. Then close. Then save the changes. And as well as this, we'll just click yes. Now we will click this sketch 2, we'll edit the sketch. We'll just need to select this circle, select this one, and make them tangent. Then exit the sketch. Now we will go to the sketch 2 under our spring. Then we'll go to edit it. I'll just click this endpoint and this point and make them coincident. Then check. Now we just assign some dimension from this endpoint up to this line. It should just only be 3 millimeters. And hit check. And then exit the sketch. Then we will access this motion study 1. We'll go to this tab, then click this. In the settings, we change the frames per second from 8 to 25. Then hit check. Now we will click this. And then just hide this component for the meantime. Then we'll drag this key to 10 seconds. Now we will click this motor. Then we'll just skip this RPM 20. And this component direction is this inside. And hit OK. Then all we need to do now is to calculate. It will take us some time. And this should be our final output.